should have undercoated your truck at the signs of surface rust. So the factory does apply a certain amount of a coating or undercoating, but when you dip it in salt water and go fishing, and depends on what area and climate of the world you're in, the brine or salt or whatever will just eat away at everything. Now remember, this was done at the factory and it's all coming off. You can see some areas stayed well and some didn't stay well. But the previous owner did not take care of this truck, let alone even wash off all this. And this is salt water. So that's would you bet this is salt water, Jude?
Probably.
Yeah. I'm gonna bet it's salt water or upstate New York or something like that. It's just eating the coatings off of everything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix the exhaust because the flex pipe was rotted out. Jude did a fine job there. And then we're gonna scrape whatever loose shit is falling off of here, and we're gonna spray everything underneath of here. And I hear all on the pipe, fluid film, fluid film. Everybody just put fluid film on your car. I can't stand fluid film. It is an entire mess for the guy who has to work on the car. Oh, you're a mechanic, you get dirty and greasy. No, I don't get sloppy and sludged and covered in slime every day unnecessarily. So I'm against fluid film. You guys can use what you want. I say just traditional rubberized undercoating has worked for centuries, so let's just stick with it. This could have all been prevented, that when you buy a vehicle like this and you're going to subject it to a lake or salt water or what else, Jude? Swamping, off-roading, that you go under here and then you lubricate, hence these don't work. Lubricate, he should be up in this position because they're seized. Lubricate and maintain the underbody of your vehicle as much as you do the top. So if you're buying a truck and you're a fisherman, take extra care of the underbody of the car before you dip it in water for your favorite hobby or sport. This is already too late for this vehicle. There's no saving this car. It's preserving what you got. I don't care if you grind this all the way down to bare metal and fluid film it, you are never going to get the contamination out of the pores of this because it's so far gone. But we're gonna preserve what we got. You could use this for a pull-up bar now.
Or just a normal side step.
So yeah, these don't work, the auto side steps, and I would bet that that's probably seized too. This is all from not maintaining the underbody of your car properly. All right guys, thanks for watching.